Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube videos. So there is so many ways you can download it. I'm going to show you how you can download your own videos. Alright, so for your own videos, what you have to do, just go to the YouTube studio. You can download it from the app and just go to the YouTube videos, and what you have to do, just go whichever video you would like to download. Just go here, and suppose that if I have to download this videos, all right, this videos, if I have to download, what I have to do, just click it three dot and save it to device. So I will go ahead, save it to device. It's downloading right now. So once it's download, hit OK, and then go to your the device here, and then you can see that this video is here. All right, it's already downloaded. Okay, so that's how you can download your videos. And if you want to download anything from the YouTube, where you have to go to the YouTube. All right, and click the three dot, and you can see that there is a download thing, but this thing need a premium, and sometimes they do the free trial. You can literally do that, so if I have to download anything from here, I'll just click it and it will download. So suppose that this is call him Uzi or something, so if I'll hit this one, look at this, it's downloading. So it will take a little bit time, but it will download. But this will be the premium one, so you have to take the premium one to download this one. All right, so this way you can download the videos, and I will see you the next videos. All right, thanks.